Surprise! It's Mr. Bryan Stewart here. We're here at the Way 24 Summit with our sales leadership. You know, every year we have a breakout, come up with messaging for our team so that they really understand what to bring back to you. What is our direction? What is our focus? What are we looking to improve on? We had a great 23, and thank you to everyone for participating and doing what you could to make 23 great. But there's always rooms for improvement, and that's what we're really driving home to our team. When your managers get back to your branch, I want you to corner them, get a meeting with them. I want you guys to sit down as a team, and I want you to get a download of what they took away from this summit, because there's a lot of important information. And let me tell you, for you sales reps in the branch, there's a very, very big surprise that your managers are going to be coming back with for you. So I'm very excited for them to share that with you. Managers, leave the surprise for last so that we can have everybody really engaged. Make sure everyone pays attention, enjoys. You know, we've got a big year ahead. The goals for this year are all going to come from you guys, and we're a company based on our people. We're a company where you guys get things done. We're very appreciative of what you're doing and looking forward to hearing some feedback. So there's a lot of information going to be coming your way in 24 through Wave Talk. So, you know, let's get engaged. Let's have some fun. And let's create that dream team. Sauce. Is that the new thing?
Yes, I got
you
my
guys.
looks like solid sauce.
Very well. Wow.
I always have cute.
Don't ever do this again. All right, let's go find these guys and let's get this studio filled. So you can fuck us to B Stew's podcast, you little b****s. No, I'm just kidding.